What's the meaning of correctional? Correctional. Correctional.
Correctional. Correctional. The term correctional refers to institutions, programs or measures that aim to correct or improve the behavior of individuals who have committed a crime or deviant behavior. These may include prisons, reformatories, halfway houses, probation and parole programs, counseling, and other forms of rehabilitation. The intended result of correctional measures is to promote rehabilitation and reintegration of offenders into society, while also ensuring public safety through punishment and deterrence. Ultimately, the goal of correctional facilities and programs is to reduce recidivism rates and help individuals become responsible, law-abiding citizens.